if I find a guy that could be me, like you said, he's the one that's gonna.
When we find a guy, not if.
Yeah, they could go out there and make sure that everything is going to standard the way we set it up. Then it's just steady flow and concentrating and working together to get everything, the business up, up, and just keep going up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't want to be in the field forever. I can't. My body can't take it no more. You know what I'm saying?
And trying to find this person, why haven't y'all found them yet?
Because it's hard to. Everybody disagrees with me, but it's hard to find in this industry a guy in our area that can do almost everything like I can. You know what I'm saying? That I can trust to, to put him out there and be my eyes and ears. You know what I'm saying?
My take on it.
Let's hear it, Nigel.
Bullshit. Straight up bullshit. My boss needs to understand this.
I got trust issues.
Okay. Continue working.
Because that's what I'm getting, to be honest.
Continue working on this fire that we're putting on here. Be an attractive company. And that guy that you're looking for will run to you. He will come through your door so fast, kick it down, bust through your wall, fix the shit, and then show you that he's the motherfucking man that, listen, you're going to get the nigga that you need. I'm telling you right now, you need to understand that the people that you're looking for are out there. And the reason why you can't find them is because we might be looking good to the customers, but we're not looking good and attractive to the right type of people to work with us. They're out there. For a guy, there's so many people during the pandemic that are very good workers that went off and tried to do it on their own, and they're in worse situation than us. And we know a few of them. If we can be attractive to them again, and we already know what they can do and bring them back in, what do you think is going to happen? You got that guy. But to do that, all you need to do is, yes, you look in what group you have. You might get a lucky bunch. You found me. You didn't have shit. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but you found a decent guy that can, I don't know everything, but I'm constantly evolving and trying to learn and understand. That's what you need. They're out there. I've seen them every day. I see them. But we're not attracting them, and you're also not asking. I would be in a store, and you'd be like, come on, man, I'm just getting this Snicker bar to eat. And I'd be like, hey, what do you do? You know, what do you do? What do you work? You don't know where the next person is. But you got to be out there seeking, finding. And it's not just put an ad out. We put a QR code out. Or you got to be seeking and driving your business in the direction of building it up so that the attraction of, I work for your dream home improvement. Oh, shit, I want to work there. Well, how do I get in? And then when you're bringing your guys in, just because you need a guy, a lot of contractors do it. Oh, I need people to work tomorrow. You can work, come on. Vet them. Make sure they can stand up to your stuff so you're not going through the headaches that you're going through. Train them. Make sure that they can pull up the app, take this simple thing like a picture, send it back to the office so the machine that you're building is being oiled and they know this is what we have to do. Don't stand. There should be a no nonsense bar of, I don't want to tolerate that, 100%.